Hello, I'm Sehi Park from Samsung Electronics. Today, I would like to introduce you to Samsung Flip, a digital flip chart that has revolutionized the way we work today. With built-in sensors, Samsung Flip automatically turns on when simply knocked by you or when the pen is removed from its holder, ensuring that all meetings start on time without extensive setups. Samsung Flip offers the familiar, comfortable feel of pen and paper writing using either the pen that was included with the display or any other object available around. Any object or pen near you can be used to write on the display. Samsung Flip also recognizes the thickness of the object used to write on the flip. If you're using a pointed object, it will be a thin line. If you're using a blunt part, it will appear like a highlighter in a thicker line. Long press your pen like this, and you will get a set of colors to choose from. For erasing, you can use fingers for small erasings like this, or a palm swipe for larger areas. And with up to 4 users at a time, Samsung Flip Display fosters simultaneous multi-user engagement to ensure that all participants in a meeting or classroom remain involved in the conversations. Having 4 people able to contribute to the meeting all together ensures that meeting attendees input ideas in a timely manner. To open a document on the Flip, you can easily pull from a USB drive or network drive. First, click Import button on top of your Flip. You can see 4 ways to get content from multiple sources: mobile, laptop, USB, and network drive. Today, let's open the files from USB drive. You can see the content saved on my USB. I will select 2 pictures for today, like this. You can move the content and even write on the content freely, as if it's pen and paper writing. Samsung Flip has up to 20 pages of writing space per document, like 20 pages of a sketchbook. You can scroll down like this by dragging the left side of the boundary between the pages. With embedded search functionalities, you can instantly move to a specific page or content. Click the Quick Finder button on the right. You will see the content that I have created before. You can go to a specific page like this, or you can even rearrange the pages by clicking onto a page and moving to a different place. Samsung Flip reinvents how information is shared after a meeting. Facilitators can distribute meeting notes to participants via email, eliminating the needs for any cumbersome handwritten recap. Samsung Flip supports WPA2 Wi-Fi protected access, so it can connect to a secure wireless network like in a corporate environment. Click the Export button on top of the Flip to enter the email address. When I click Export, you can see multiple options available. Today, let's try sending via email. You can enter text on the Flip with a standard keypad or by using the writing recognition tool that turns content written on the display into actual text. Let me try sending this content to my colleague named Patrick. I can write his name using the keypad like this, but I can also use the handwriting recognition tool. To send the content to Patrick. As Samsung Flip supports LDAP synchronization, when connected to a business database, it allows you to recommend names of colleagues within the company. As you can see, Samsung Flip is an intuitive and easy-to-use digital display in any meeting environment. With only a few clicks of a button or a swipe on a screen, meetings will become highly productive. I hope you enjoy Samsung Flip, the digital flip chart that lets your ideas flow.